Hello my friends, welcome to Arte y Cocina con Lizzie. Bienvenidos. Today I invite you to come over to my kitchen so you can learn how to make the sofrito. I know you're gonna love it. This is what I use for everything that we call guisado, stew. So come on, don't wait no more, sit down, relax in the kitchen with me. Okay, my friends, this is what we need for the sofrito. 2 big onions, 2 bunches of cilantro. I have in here 1 green pepper because we're not gonna make that much because it's just, some for you. We're gonna need some of these beautiful peppers in different colors. I don't think we're gonna use all of them. I'll let you know when I start cleaning everything, okay? We're gonna need garlic, the whole head, or you can buy the minced garlic that is already come completely done. This is the one that I use, and you're gonna see how much I put. We're gonna need some carrots. I like to use the other carrots, the big ones, but they don't have any in the store. You believe that? They only have these baby ones. So we're gonna use this one and we're gonna wash everything really good. Also, I'm gonna show you the culantro, how it looks like. And this time, I'm gonna put it on the sofrito. I usually just freeze them, and I'm gonna show you how I do, or you can put them in the sofrito today. So, my friends, let me go ahead and clean all of this, cut all of this, and show you how we're gonna do this. Let's start cleaning everything. Now we're gonna start cutting everything that we need for the sofrito, okay? Okay, now look how beautiful this look. In this stage now, in this moment, remember you need to have where you're gonna put the sofrito. The sofrito is almost like the pico de gallo, but I don't put jalapenos on it, okay? It's almost like that, and I smell delicious and it tastes delicious if you're gonna eat it with some olive oil or something. But we use it for everything. Everything that is stew, we use it. Or for seasoning, like we can put a little bit on the chicken if you want to do it in the oven. And for Thanksgiving, the turkey, we also put some sofrito around the turkey. Remember, if you're gonna do just a little bit less than this, you're gonna need somewhere to put it. I recommend you to use these ice cubes. This is silicone, so it's easier to move, okay? I use more than this, so what I do, if I use my little cups, which is these ones, okay, it's these ones, and I can use it twice or the whole thing if I'm gonna cook more. And these ones come with the lid, okay, and these little ones, they sell them on the Dollar Tree, and this is perfect for you. You can use the whole thing in one stew, whatever you need to do, okay? This is perfect. It's $1, and I don't remember if they bring 10 or 8. I buy these ones in the farmer's market. I try to buy a whole bunch of them. It's a little bit more than this, and I pay $3.19. But I think you don't need that because I guess you're gonna cook it just now and then. Or use the sofrito, I may say. Then the culantro, you saw me that I was washing it, and there are long leaves. I usually buy a lot more of these. So what I do, if I clean them really good, I put it in the Tupperware, smaller than this. I cut them in half because they're really big. I put it in the bowl. I freeze them, and when I need them, you see me cooking, I just get a little piece or 2 or 3, whatever I need. Of course, I have a lot more than that, and I use them. Today, we're going to put it in the sofrito because I don't know if you want to remember to buy the culantro and go put it in the freezer and use it like that. But in the sofrito is absolutely perfect, okay? So let's go ahead and add this. Oh my God, it smells so good, my people. It smells delicious. The minced garlic we're gonna put when this is almost ready, but if you have the whole head of the garlic, it's time for you to go ahead, peel them and put them in there. You don't need to cut it in pieces, just take them out, peel them, put them in there. The other peppers, the mini ones, I use 2 red, 2 yellows, and 2 oranges. They almost look the same color, but okay. 2 reds, 2 yellow, 2 orange, and 1 big green pepper. And the baby carrots, I put probably 10 of them. So now we're gonna make some noise. Let's go ahead and start. My husband usually just do the onions first, the cilantro next, but I don't do that. I'm gonna mix everything. He's doing a lot of stuff, so in the house. So he told me, I'm sorry, I don't want to be able to help you today, but Lizzie can do it because I was the one who teach him how to do it. And remember, we want chunky sofrito, okay? You need a blender or you need a food processor. The food processor is a lot better. So if you have a food processor, please go ahead and do it in the food processor. In the blender, you have to be careful because then you get it more runny, okay, more sauce. So you're gonna have to use the paws and do it little by little until they get chunky pieces. Or you can do it just like the blender does, more watery. It smells the same, it works the same, but I just like to see my chunky of every vegetable that I put in here on my sofrito. In the old time, people used to put the tomatoes on it, okay? And my mother never used the tomatoes because they get to don't last long, okay? They get bad because the tomato is very acid, as you say, and it get the sofrito bad quicker if you don't use it enough. So let's go ahead, or fast enough. Let's go ahead. Let me put a little bit in here first. And I'm gonna do a little bit on front so you can see because this make a lot of noise. And then I'm gonna finish with the sofrito, and then we're gonna put the garlic that I have. Okay. And look how beautiful this is looking. To clean my hands a little bit so I can go ahead and close the food processor. And I cover it in here. I don't have this is very old. Okay, I'm gonna put it on low and then we're gonna do it on pulse. Okay, that's all the shake that we need in there. And let me show you how this looks. That is the chunky, beautiful sofrito, okay? So I'm gonna finish with this and I'm gonna show you the next step to finish with the sofrito. Well, my friends, I finished with the sofrito and this is the way they should like it, okay? It should look just like this. Now we're gonna add the garlic. And I have a teaspoon, and we're gonna put one, and they're pretty full, okay? 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna move it and see if they need more. Remember that the garlic is very, very, very strong. And you can see the little pieces of the garlic already on the sofrito. And that is, let's see, let's put 3.5 teaspoons of garlic. The half, okay? 3.5 spoons of garlic. Now we're gonna move really, really good again. And my friends, I cannot stop telling you how good this smells. If you see a little chunk of something like this onion, just don't worry about it. Look how beautiful this sofrito is looking. This is my chunky sofrito. I want to point out that not everybody make the sofrito the same in Puerto Rico, okay? We all cook different. We all make the sofrito, the beans, everything different, okay? So this is the way I make my sofrito. I like to see it chunky. I like to see that I have carrots and peppers and onions, you know. I just love it. I love the way it looks just like this. I also want to tell you, let me see if I found the little piece. I think I throw it away. I have a little one in here. I also want to point out, oh, here it is, that don't get confused with the cilantro and the parsley, okay, because they look almost alike. What you have to do, you just touch a leaf, you smell it, they smell delicious, and you know this is the cilantro. Also, if the cilantro comes with long stems, just go ahead and cut it, you know, enough where you can see more the leaves, because this is what the taste is. And you can throw away the rest. The one that I showed you was perfect cilantro, okay? So this is the way I fill up my stuff. So let's get this one. Let's get a little spoon. The ice tray. Once you use this tray, you cannot use it for ice or anything else, okay? Because the sofrito is pretty strong because of the garlic and the onions, and it's gonna stay in here. The smell is gonna stay on the silicone. So what I do, if I'm gonna do this, that's the way I used to do it before, and still many people do that. And it's cool because you get a cube, you use it, or you get 2 cubes, you use it, and that's it. Okay, so let's fill this up. It smells, I'm hungry. I'm getting hungry for sure. What time is it? It's 4:27 in the afternoon, so this smell makes me hungry. And not everybody put carrots on their sofrito either. That's me. I don't know who else does it, but I just started putting carrots on it, not only for the color, it's also because that way you eat yourself some carrots and you don't even know. And my babies hear a noise. They're going to the back door. Okay, so after you have this in here, you put it in the plastic bag. Let's get a plastic bag. Okay, and you go ahead and freeze it. Now, this is the little cup from the Dollar Tree, and this is the cups that I use, okay? This one is a lot bigger. This one is a lot smaller, but they're perfect for you too. So let's go ahead and fill some of them up since I have them in here. Because I have the sofrito in Spanish also. And this amount of sofrito is perfect for you. It's gonna last you for a long time. Okay, we cover it. Okay. Look how cute. Let's see if I have one more. Then I have the lid. Then you put this in the freezer and you always have some sofrito to cook at home. Let's see how many of these we're gonna use now. Do you notice the carrots? You can see everything. I just love it. This is Lizzie's Chunky Sofrito. And let me tell you something. If you like this and the food that I cook, please subscribe if you are the new one in here, and share. I need some people in my channel. I can tell you that much. And give me a like. Try to get the little bell that they have just right down there. So every time that I have a new video, they're gonna let you know, hey, Lizzie have a new video. Some of the videos are gonna be Spanish, some of the videos are gonna be in English. Usually I put English on the subtitles up on the bottom. And if you help me with that, I really gonna appreciate you. Maybe one day I can invite you to eat in my house when I have more people in my channel. So let's see. How many more I can get. I love watching the cooking videos from every country. Sometimes I don't understand what they say for sure, but if they give you the measurements, most of the channels do. I don't, because I don't even know how I cook with my eyes, by eye. I've been cooking for so many years, but in this case, you know how to use it, how many you can use it for this amount of chunky sofrito. So we have 6 of the large cups, 3 of the small ones, or medium, you can call them medium, and a silicone tray full of sofrito. So my dear friends, thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you can cook a lot of stuff with the sofrito, and that can become a family secret for you, and sharing all of this with you, because I just love teaching how I cook. Many hugs, many kisses, and I see you again. Bye-bye.